the new heading, mention that STLC within a brackets. What you will write? What? Software testing life cycle within a brackets. Software testing life cycle. Software testing life cycle. Close that bracket, and continue the statement. Mention that with project. Close that statement and continue that mentioning with project. Software testing life cycle with project. Under that, make a note of the steps. Just continue with the step. Just continue with the step. Take with the first step, requirements understanding. Write the first step, requirements understanding. After that, test plan, and then test scenarios. After that, test cases. After that, test execution. After that, bug reporting and retesting. Bug reporting and retesting. And after that, last activity, test closure. All the online students also, please make a note of all these particular steps. Please make a note of all these particular steps. Test lead. All the online students also, please take care about all these particular steps. Right. Take with the new heading. Write with the new heading, mentioning that STLC with project. STLC with project, and then make a note of these particular steps, mentioning that requirements understanding, test plan, test scenarios, test cases, test execution, and then bug reporting and retesting, and finally test closure. Okay, right. So we need to begin taking care about in understanding or in implementing with these particular steps. Previously, we used to begin taking care about in discussing with our very first concept, mentioning that why testing required. This is what our very first point, and the main point which need to be get understand why exactly testing has been required. After that, after that, we need to take care about in understanding that particular tester roles and responsibilities. We need to begin taking care about the tester roles and responsibilities as part of that particular tester, what exactly that particular roles and responsibilities need to be done. That is what we need to take care about the second activity. And then we started with the very most important one, mentioning the STLC, real time process implementation. So, according to that particular real time perspective, how exactly we can take care about in having the steps of STLC. The STLC, real time process implementation. And then we got taking care about in having with STLC models. In that, taking care about waterfall model and then V model and then taking with Azure. Not like restricted with only these three models. We are having lot of other models also available, but mainly need to be get comfortable taking care about in these three particular models. Once we got comfortable these three particular models, based on these particular three, we can take care about in utilizing any of other respective models. That is what we have been done with why testing required tester roles and responsibilities STLC, real time process implementation, and then this particular STLC models. Apart from all these particular things, apart from all these particular things, we need to take care about our main concept and the main job role of the tester. Previously, you got to understand the steps of tester roles and responsibilities. That particular step we need to take care about in implementing in practical. The tester job role you have to take care about in implementing in practical. That is what exactly you need to take care about the concept of STLC. So as part of our testing, it can be fresher level, it can be fresher level or taking with experience level. We need to be get comfortable taking care about in understanding how exactly we can implement all these particular steps. Let's take care about in understanding one by one, step by step. Step by step, we'll take care about a very clear picture of each and every particular step. In the first step, what is the first step we got? What is the first step we got? Requirements understanding. We need to get start with this, but before getting started with this, before getting started with this, we need to take care about, we need to take care about in understanding one more concept in mentioning the folder creation. Before getting started, requirements understanding, we need to take care about an understanding with one more main concept that we will be taking with folder creation. Let's understand what exactly mean by that folder creation and why we need to take care about that particular folder creation. Further, just take care about and writing with the new heading. Just what you written after that. Take care about writing with the new heading. Take with the new heading. Mention the real time folder structure to implement STLC. Take with the new heading. Take with the new heading. Real time folder structure to implement STLC. All the online students also. All the online students also. Please take care about in writing with the main heading. Mention the real-time folder structure to implement STLC. First, make a note of up to this particular test execution. Make a note of up to that particular test execution. Take care about all that particular arrow marks in the very correct way. Take care about all that particular arrow marks in the very correct way. So just make a note of all this particular structure in the very correct way. All the online students also. All the online students also. Please take care about all that particular respective folder structure in the very correct way. First one, project name. Under that, documents. Again, under the project name, templates, test scenarios, test cases, test reports, test execution. All the online students also. Please take care about making a note of in the very correct way. Make a note of all that particular steps in the very correct way. What is mean by that? I'll be explaining. First, make a note of the structure. Take the structure in the correct way. That is what you have to take care about creating all these particular folders. Then, online students, that everyone is done. Next, Continue with the same. Just continue with the same. After test execution, under test execution, take the connectivity in the very correct way. Under test execution, you got two folders. Build one, build two. Under build one, under build one, again you are getting subfolders. Take the connectivity in the very correct way. Take the connectivity in the very correct way. Under test execution, you are getting two folders. One is build one, build two. Under build one, again you will take care about that particular subfolders. Just take care about all that particular structure in the very correct way. The same folders we need to create. How to create, I will explain. How to create, I will explain. But make a note of all that particular step. Then online students, is that everyone is done? Okay, right. Let's understand what exactly mean by these particular folder structure and how exactly we can take care about all these particular respective folders. See that. So now, very first thing you guys need to take care about in creating all these particular folders. What is mean by this folder? How we can create? Let's take care about all that particular step. But before going to that, from the very starting days, I used to be take care about in mentioning that you guys will be getting the PDF file. I told that you'll have in a running notes. Along with that, I will take care about the PDF file also. I mean, as part of our sessions, what exactly we are already discussed and going to discuss as part of our training program, what exactly we are already discussed and going to discuss each and everything very clearly. It got documented in the PDF file. Like we got roles and responsibilities, and we got STLC, the real-time process, and then we got STLC models. Each and every concept, it has been documented in this particular respective PDF file, and now we got this folder structure. After that STLC, everything, it has been documented in this particular PDF file. You need to take care about, in referring this PDF file, not like only the concept, related to these concepts, related to manual testing, related to the whole manual testing, what kind of questions you can expect, related to manual testing, what kind of questions you can expect. That is what it is mentioned, your real time regular interview questions, along with the questions, given answers also, along with the questions given with the answers also, but not like mandatory that, not like mandatory that you have to go with the same answers just to understand, I got provided that particular answers based on your comfortable, you can come up with your own answers here. Just the conclusion, how you can expect different type of questions with the respective of fresher level and with the respective of experience level. All the different questions, it got documented. Whenever you are getting the time, if I just go through these particular interview questions, if I just go through these particular interview questions, maximum, it will be comfortable to get clear interview on manual testing. I'm talking about only manual. For now, I'm talking about only manual. Automation, I'll take in the different step. For now, I'm just taking care about only this manual. So you're able to see lot of questions will be there. Different type of questions, it got documented. Just if you look into that, you can see how many questions you got. How many questions you got? Just 100 questions only. Right? You are having only just 100 questions are there. If I just go through that particular 100 questions, very easily you can get understood how you can expect the way of interview questions related to manual testing. So because of that, that is what I'm clearly saying from the day one. Your target not like just only learning with the subject, along with learning the subject, you need to be get comfortable. Along with learning the subject, you need to be get comfortable taking care about in preparing that particular interview, clearing with the interviews. Because of that, please take care about all these particular things. The same PDF file, the same PDF file to get access for you guys. how you guys can take care about, how you can take care about accessing that particular PDF file. I'm just providing in your respective Google Classroom. I think already got added to Google Classroom. Everyone, all the online students also, please take care about it. I'm just providing all your required information in that particular respective Google Classroom. Still, if anyone not got added, still, if anyone not got added, cross check with your respective admin, cross check with your respective admin and get it added to Google Classroom. Every day, whatever the things I was explaining, it got documented in your respective Google Classroom. Just you can go to your Google Classroom, you will be able to see all the documents which I got uploaded. Take care about in doing click activity. How you can access the files available in Google Classroom. How you can access the files available in Google Classroom. Just you can click on that. It's not like only PDF file, anything from Google Classroom, just you can take care about, click on that. Just you can take care about, click on that. See the top right corner having the dotted symbol. In the top right corner, dotted symbol. Yes or no? In this dotted symbol, if you just click on that, what is option you got? What is option you got? Open in new window. Directly, you can't take care about downloading it. First, click on the file. Once you got, click on the file, use the option. What is option? Open in new window. Once you click on open in new window, it will take care about in open in another window. Again, go to the top right corner having the dotted symbol. Dotted symbol. Okay. Now you got an option. What is option you got? What is option you got? Download. By default, you will not be having this particular option. By default, you will not be having the download option. What I'm trying to explain, each and every information I will be explaining in the class. Along with that, everything available in that particular respective Google Classroom. You need to take care about in accessing that particular Google Classroom to download the required file. To download the required file, first you can take care about in doing click activity. First you can take care about in doing click activity. Once you've done click activity, you can go to top right corner, the dotted symbol. What is option? What is option? Open in new window. Once you click on open in new window, then you will get, it will open in the new window. Once it got open, again in the top you will get dotted symbol. That particular dotted symbol. What is option? What is option? Download. Once you click on download, once you got click on download, it will download to. Once you click on download, it will download to. Where it will download? You will click on that download, then it will download to your downloads folder in case of laptop. In case of laptop, it will be downloading to your respective downloads folder. Once it is downloaded, next what you will do? What you will do? It will download to your local system. After that, very simple, sir. We'll open the Facebook and then upload it, sir. After that, we'll open Twitter and then upload. After that, Instagram. Don't go with all that particular kind of activities. For a very easy learning purpose, I'll be giving all the required information, but not like you got any download access, downloading it and uploading all the things into other websites. Don't go with all those activities. Just utilize in a very proper way. So this is what taking care about your respective PDF file. Perfectly okay. So this is what your concept related to the PDF file. Now we need to come up with according to the structure I provided here. We need to come up with in creating the respective folders. How exactly we can create these particular folders? Why we need to create these folders? Let's understand all that particular real-time process. As part of our testing or tester first activity, we need to come up with that folder creation. Let's take care about how exactly we can start this particular activity. Further, let's understand the whole real-time process. According to real-time, as a tester, how we can start our testing work. How exactly we can take care about in getting started with our testing work. Okay. See the whole real-time concept. As simple as you guys are doing the training program. What is the training program you are doing? What is it? Which testing? Software testing. That is what your training program. Correct or not? Yes or no? Yes or no, guys? That is what your training program. Okay. How many months? How many months? 3 months. Consider 100 days. Okay. 3 months you are taking care about doing this training program. Why you are doing this training program? Why you are doing this training program? What is it? I'm not getting any voice, guys. Why you are doing this training program? For getting job or salary? Job or no salary? Salary doesn't require. Only job is required. Only salary required. Job is doesn't required. Only salary required. Okay. Now you are taking care about doing this 3 months of training program for the purpose of getting the job. Okay, perfectly okay. Assume that your 3 months of training program done. After completion of 3 months of training program, next what you will do? After completion of 3 months of training program, what you will do? You'll go for hometown, huh? 3 months, lot of hard work we done, sir. Will take some rest and come back. No, huh? Yes, sir. No, sir. Yes, sir. No, sir. No, sir. Not yes, sir. So here you are taking care about your job search. As part of the job search, I'll take care about attending with the interviews. Okay. Once we got attending with the interviews, you will take care about in clearing with any of the interview. Finally, you got a job on. You got a job on tester. Finally, he got a job as a tester. Perfectly okay. Now, see the whole process. First, you are taking care about doing the training program, and then you are taking care about doing the job search activity. As part of job search, taking care about attending the interview, and then finally it got clear with the interview, and then it got in a job. Once it got in a job, next, once it got job salary, yeah? Once he got in a job, next. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. See that. Once he got in a job, you have to take care about in going to the office. Yes, sir. No, no officer. Only hostel. Where from hostel? Hostel is very good, sir. Lunch is very good, sir. Every day biryani is there, sir. No, once he got in a job, what do you have to do? What do you have to do? You have to go to office. Very perfect. Once he go to the office, now I got in a doubt. You got in a job, perfectly okay. Very happy also. Then you started going to office, full happy. Now my question is, once you are going to the office, day one in the office, what you will do? Tell me about yourself. Day one in office also, tell me about yourself. Online students. Day one in the office, what you will do? Interaction with the colleagues, sir. That is very most important, sir. Team members, sir. Day one only team members, sir. Day one you got already team is there. Day one, don't expect any of the team or anything. Okay. Day one in the office. First, I'll go to cafeteria. That is what very most important for us. Once you go to that cafeteria and then you come back, first, the first half, see the process, see the real-time process. Day one in the office, first half, the morning hours, it will go with joining formalities. I mean, they'll take care about all your documents verification, and then they'll take care about in asking to fill with lot of documents here. You have to practice your autograph for the first day, because on the first day you have to make lot of signatures need to be done on different kind of documents without reading the documents. If you read also, you will not understand anything there. If you understand also, you can't do anything there. Just you have to keep the signature. They will already mentioning that very hard to provide all your signature. Very hard to take care about in providing all the signature. In that, if I'm taking all the filling your documents parallelly, immediately your employee ID, email ID. What is it? Employee ID, email ID will be created immediately. Day one. In day one, in the first half, whenever joining formalities are going on, parallelly, immediately your employee ID and what is it? Email ID will be created immediately, because according to that IT companies, all your communication, all your further communication will be done through email ID, not like mobile number, all those things. All your communication will be done through emails only. Because of that, first half they will take care about all your document verification, and immediately they will take care about in creating your employee ID and creating your email ID. You are not doing any testing activities. Don't expect in the day one only started doing the testing. You are not taking care about doing the testing in day one. First, day one, first half, you are joining formalities. It will be completed by the lunchtime will be done. That is first day, right? Because of first day, maximum 99%, 99% you will get free lunch. You will get free lunch, but only day one, not all the days. Day one, you can expect free lunch. Because of free lunch, what you will do? What you will do? Testing will be done. From there only what testing will started here. Free lunch very successfully completed. Day one, first half, you are joining formalities, and then free lunch. After lunch, sleeping. After lunch, the second half, you will take care about induction program. What is it? What is it? Induction program. Meaning of that? Not induction cooker. Induction cooker is different. Induction program. The meaning of induction program is related to introduction. I mean, in the afternoon, as part of the induction program, from the HR team, one of the person, from the HR team, one of the person will take the session saying that what is that company, when it has been started, how the journey is done, what are the projects they are handling, what is the growth of that IT company, what is the future, where it has been operated, policies, dress code, policy violation, appraisal process, all the information related to that particular company, they will take one presentation. By the time of completion of that particular presentation, by the time of completion of that particular HR session, you guys will get a very clear picture what exactly that company is related to. Because of that maximum of IT companies, first they'll take care about induction program. As part of induction program, first session taken care by HR. That HR will take care about in giving all the information related to that particular company. By that, you will understand, you will get all the clear picture related to that particular respective IT companies here. Okay. Once first session HR, once it is done, after that second session taking care by network team. We'll take care about second session network team. That network team, they will explain how you can get the laptop or getting the system. You require one system, right? For the IT job, you required one laptop or system. Yes or no? For that work, how we can get that company laptop or how you can get that particular company system. To whom you need to send an email, from whom you need to get approval. Because of that, in the morning only, your email ID will be created. So I'll just drop an email to the respective team in requesting for the required laptop or system. To whom we have to send it, to whom we have to get approval, what kind of softwares you can download, what kind of softwares you can't download, what kind of website you can access, all the information related to network taking care by in that second session. First session taking care by HR. Second session taking care by network team. The second session taking care by network team. With that, first I got very clear picture related to the company. Second session, you got a clear picture in accessing the laptop or system. 2 sessions successfully will be done. Again, you will get tea break. In the tea break, what you will get? You will get tea and coffee along with biscuits. Only first day. Only first day. Only first day you will get biscuits also, but not like all the days here. Successfully, you will be completing your tea break. After tea break, very most important session will be done. What is that session? What is the important session? HR session completed, network session is done, tea break also completed. Then another important session. Project. Team lead. Day one. Don't expect any kind of work. Even though you guys are too intelligent, you can't work on the day one here. Okay. So don't be excited on the day one. You never work on the day one. Day one, after tea break, the important session is you will get the session taken care by finance team. Who will take the session? Finance team. Your payroll, salaries, that particular accounts department, that finance team, they will explain what kind of bank account you have to open, when you have to open, when salary will be credited, how the salary will be calculated, is that 25 days of month or 30 days of month, how salary will be calculated. Is that every month of first salary will be credited or 5th day or 9th day? It's vary from one IT company to another IT company. Because of that, all that information you will get in the finance stream. Maximum on that day one only, your bank account also will get open. With that, successfully, it will be completing. Will be completing day one. Successfully, it will be completing day one in the office, and then it will be back to home. Hostel. You will be back to your hostel, and in the hostel, your friend will be waiting. What happened in the day one? Then you will explain starting to ending all the things to your friend, and by that, your whole day, first day, successfully completed. Done. First day, it is completed, and then second day, again. Second day going to office. Same office, different office. Same office or different office? Same office. You need to remember the route also. Same office you will go. Second day. Second day in the office. What you will do? Transportation. Second day in the office. What you will do? Online students. Second day in the office also, don't expect any. Don't expect any work. Second day also, 99%, 99%, you will not have any work until unless you are more lucky, then second day will start your work. But 99%, you will not having any work. Second day, all you guys will be available on bench. How about it? Bench. Bench in IT. In your heart. What is the meaning of bench concept in IT industry? What is it? No project. You are waiting for the project. You are going to the office. You are going to the office. You will get salary for the day also. But you are not having any work. Just you are waiting for the project. 99%, 99% day 2, it will be available on bench. Once you are available on bench, see the concept, see the real-time process. Once you are available on bench, once you are available on bench, all you guys again you will get a calls from the respective test lead or manager. In the same company, from the different projects, you can expect getting the calls from test lead or test manager. Either test lead or manager, they will make a call to you guys, and then they will go with the regular discussion. In case of fresher level, they will ask you that what kind of testing knowledge he got, what are the things you are comfortable, and then they will explain what exactly their project timings is, that you have to work on manual or automation or both the things, what their expectation, they will explain. If both you are agreed with the terms and conditions, then immediately you will be assigned to that particular project. In case you are not agreed to that project, assume that you are not agreed to that work project, then again you will continue on bench. Again you will continue on the bench. You will get one more project call. Again they will take care about discussion, and they will be asking that what exactly your knowledge, and they will explain all the things. This is how your bench concept will be continued till the time of you are getting placed in the project. Till the time of you are getting placed in the project, it will be continued in having with different level project discussion. To complete all these process, it may take only 1 week, or it may take 1 month. Sometime it may take 2 months also. It depends on it. Depends on the way of you are getting the project call and the way of you are accepting that particular project. So till the time of getting the project, you will be available on bench only. Now assume that that particular bench concept till the time of the project getting, you will available on bench. In this current market, how much time you can wait on the bench? In this particular current market, always it is suggestible not more than a month. Not more than a month. If you are staying more than 1 month, sir, bench is like very good, sir. There is no work, but we'll get salary. I'll stay on bench only. You can stay it. But more than 1 month, if you are staying on bench, definitely you have to face the problem. Previous IT market, totally different. At the time of our starting IT career, we are available on bench. In starting of my career, I'm having one of my friend who has been stayed on bench for 1 year. How many days? 1 year. He was there bench on 1 year. On in that 1 year on bench also he got promotion. Say his luckiness here. He was stayed for bench 1 year, but again in that also one promotion he got it here. That kind of lucky days, golden days are there. But for you guys, no concept of all that golden days. In IT, all that golden days completed. It is not at all suggestible. It is not at all suggestible to wait for more time on bench. Because of that, once you guys got in a job, as early as possible, take care about in assigning to any of the project. Then you will be safe side. Otherwise, definitely you have to face the problems here. So once I got in a job, take care about in assigning to any of the project. To complete all these formalities, just assume that minimum it will be taking with 2 weeks of the time. How much time? 2 weeks of the time. 2 weeks you completed on bench. Third week you got in a project. Now you got assigned it to project. Okay. Now project got assigned. In the project, day 1, what you will do? Installation. Huh? Uh-huh. In the project day 1, what you will do? What is that? In the project day 1, what is it? Knowledge transfer. In the project day 1 also, not like immediately you will understand the requirement. It's not like immediately will start your work. In the project day 1 also, first you will have an a KT. Once KT started, then you will get in a clear picture what exactly that project is related to. What kind of the work you have to do? Is that manual? Is that automation? Or both the things? Is that new project or existing project? Until unless your KT is not started, until unless your KT is not started, you can't get with clear picture related to your work here. Once your KT started, then you will get to know what exactly the work you have to do it. So that is how your KT will start it. By the time of your KT getting completed, by the time of your KT getting completed, parallelly your test lead or manager will take care about in getting the access for your credentials. It's not like by default everyone can access the client information. The client has to give an approval. Because of that, whenever your KT concept is going on, parallelly your test lead or manager will take care about in getting the credentials with your name. So by that, in sudden step, your KT will be completed. By the time of your KT is done, your test lead will ready with credentials. Then you will take that credentials and then slowly you will be getting started your work by taking with the first step, folder creation. That bench, how many weeks we mentioned? 2 weeks. And the KT also, maximum it will take 2 weeks, depends on the project. So bench you spend for 2 weeks. KT you spend for 2 weeks. Total? Total 1 month. 4 weeks successfully you will be completing 1 month in the IT company. So once you complete 1 month in the IT company, what you will get? What you will get? Salary will get. Successfully, you will be getting with your first salary of the IT company. Once you got first salary, what you will do? We'll open the Excel, sir, how the financial planning need to be done for multiple parties. Okay. So once your first salary got credited, till the time of your first salary got credited, you will have some question mark. Once your first salary got credited, then you will be getting with the confidence that you will be able to get work on in that particular IT. The reason, the last 2 people, we're already absent in. So if I'm taking this particular one. If I just take with this particular one, the reason I'm giving all these information, so don't be expect like once I got in a job in the day one only you have to take care about in taking the project and getting started doing all the work. Your real time 100% very easy, very easily you can survive in the real time. Don't be worried about it all because it's not like just you are taking care about getting started from day one only. I'll get some enough time. First you are joining formalities and then you are taking the bench and after that assigned to the project discussion and then assigned to the project. After that, Katie, after that, your work will be started in the slow manner. Definitely, you will get some enough time to get set right with all the things here. Because of that, it can be fresher level or it can be experience level. Very easily, you can survive in the real time. That is not at all a problem. I'll give you 100% guarantee that very easily you can survive in the real time. For that, you need to be get take care about in learning all the practical concept very easily. You can take care about and survive in that particular real time. This is what exactly your real-time process will be started before getting started your actual work. You need to be get aware of all these particular process. Now assume that you got the project and your KT is done, your work need to be started. That particular work you need to go with the very first step. What is the first step? What is the first step? Folder creation. Your first activity, you have to take care about your folder creation. Why we need to create folders? As part of testing project, why we need to create folders? As simple as, best example, let's consider your laptop. If I'm taking with your laptop, you got maintain lot of data in your laptop. That particular data you are maintaining in one folder or multiple folder in your laptops. One folder, multiple folder. One or multiple. One or multiple. Why multiple? Why you are maintaining multiple? Maybe you guys are maintaining like the saying that one folder, old movies, one folder, latest songs, one more folder, new movies, one more folder, latest selfies, one more folder. Some people, girlfriend one folder, girlfriend two, one more folder. Why these many folders? Why not just only one folder? Based on the project. That is their personal laptop. In your personal laptop, you guys are maintaining the data rather than maintaining in multiple folders. Can't we maintain in one folder? Then why you are going with multiple folders? Easy access and easy maintenance. You're taking care about two things. You are taking care about two things. The reason of taking with multiple folders. The reason of taking with multiple folders to go with easy maintenance and to go with easy access. Because it's not like just you are using the laptop only for one day. Is it you'll use only for one day? No. Because of that way of data you are maintaining, you have to maintain in the very proper way. In the same way, if we take our testing, because of testing, is that we are doing only one step? No, multiple activities we are doing. We need to maintain in the very proper way. We have to take care about, we need to take care about in maintaining in the very proper way, that we have to take care about, that we need to take care about in creating the respective folder structure. Now you guys also need to start with the same. Your work also need to be get started with the same thing. You guys need to be get start your practical job role by taking with the first step of folder creation. Now where you have to create, how you need to create is your first assignment. Having the laptops or system, you guys need to be get maintain your laptops or system. If not having, please look into that other alternative options, because from today your assignments will be started. You have to take care about in completing all that particular assignments. So please take care about your laptops or system. What exactly your first assignment? What exactly your first assignment is? In your laptop, you have to take care about in creating with folders. How to create, where to create. In your laptop, it can be any of the drive, C drive, D drive, whatever it can be. In your laptop, you have to take care about in creating with, in your laptop, you have to take care about in creating with this particular folder structure. How exactly you need to be created, how exactly you need to be get created. Let's see that. According to your comfortable, you can create in C drive, D drive, whatever it can be, according to a laptop. According to your laptop, in any of the drive, you have to create folder. Don't create on desktop. Don't create on desktop. Just you have to create in any of the drive. I'm creating in my drive. First, you need to create first folder. Refer your PDF file. What is the first folder? What is the first folder? Project name. Make a note of your project name. In your notebook, you already mentioned. What do you mention? Project name. Here only give the hyphen symbol. Just write the hyphen symbol. Just write the hyphen symbol and then take with the project name. Mention the Adactin. Make a note of the project name. Just in your notebook, where you are already written project name, give the hyphen symbol and take the name is Adactin. All the online students also, be very clear about assignment. Assignment for tomorrow's session. Assignment for tomorrow's session. You have to take care about creating the folders. Assignment for tomorrow's session. You have to take care about creating the folders. What are the folders need to be created? What is the first folder? What is the first folder? Project name. What is that project name? What is that project name? Adactin. See how I'm creating. Taking with Adactin. First folder. Under that, under Adactin, Under Adactin, what is the next folder? What is the next folder? Documents. I'm creating in my laptop. I'm creating in my laptop. In the same way, you have to take care about in creating in your laptops. You have to take care about in creating in your laptops. So after documents, what is another folder? What is it? Templates. See the hierarchy. Not under documents. Not under documents. What is the main folder? Adactin. Under Adactin, documents. After that, templates. After that, what is it? Test scenarios. Okay, done. After that, what is it? Test cases. Okay. After that, what is it? Test reports. Okay. After that, what is it? Test execution. Okay. Under test execution. Under test execution, what is it? Build one. Okay. After that, under test execution. Under test execution, build two. So under test execution, build one and taking with build two. Okay. Under build one, build test cases, all the subfolders. So you guys can refer this PDF file. According to this PDF file, whatever the connectivity is there, you have to take care about in creating with all the folder structure. How you are creating the folders? What are the steps you will follow? Right click and new folder. Same steps only. Don't go with any of other things here. Just in your local system, in your laptop or in your desktop, for tomorrow, complete your first assignment. What is your first assignment? What is your first assignment? Creation of empty folders. Don't copy any movies in that. Don't copy any of the movies in that. Maintain as empty folders. Step by step, you will provide. So this is what you are taking care about. Your first step of your practical job. Now from today, what you are getting started, the same thing as it is, you will take care about in implementing in your real-time job role. What you are practicing now, don't consider like practicing. That is what exactly your real-time job role here. So because of that, please take care about all that particular respective assignments here. So this is what our very first activity, saying that folder creation. After folder creation, what is the next one?